Hi ladies, I wanted to come to you and quickly introduce myself and explain to you how this Facebook auction is going to work. So my name is Brianne Hagenhoff. I'm an executive director with 31 Gifts, and I have been selling for almost 7 years in July, which is crazy to me, but I absolutely love what I do, and I cannot say enough about this company. They are absolutely amazing. So I'm excited that you have joined the party, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell you how this is going to work. So I'm going to be posting for 3 days. On the third day, which is actually the date of the event, that night will be the auction. So whatever the date and time of the event is, that is actually the auction night. And so you'll be wanting to participate leading up to the auction because that's how you earn bag bucks. Bag bucks is Monopoly money that you're going to use to bid on items that I'm going to put up for auction based on your participation in orders that you enter. So you definitely want to get your orders in before auction night because you get a lot of auction bucks for putting in an order. And then you'll be wanting to comment on each post that I post because you get auction bucks for that as well. What's going to happen on auction night is I will do a welcome post at the time of the auction, which is the time of the event. And after that first welcome post, then the items will start going up for auction. Those items will be up for auction for 3 minutes. After that 3 minutes, then whoever is the last one that commented at that 3-minute mark will actually win that item. So this is a fun way to get you guys interacting and to have fun on a Facebook party since I can't see you face to face. And so I hope you really enjoy it and have a great time and win lots of stuff. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.